Hey guys, this is Subhashish Mishra, your test coach. In this video, we will learn different ways to execute the Cypress test cases. In our last video, we have already learnt about what is Cypress and what are the different features Cypress has. We have also installed Cypress, Visual Studio, and we have written our first test case. If you have not watched those videos, please do watch it. I have explained everything step by step. I'll always recommend you to watch the complete playlist, then only you will able to understand everything in detail. I'll also provide the playlist link in the video description. Okay, so let's start. Let me open the Visual Studio Code and show you the previous test case which we have written. So, here if you will see inside our integration and example folder, we have a test case, fast test case. This is what we have written in our previous video, right. So, what we have done here, we have written this test case where one test case was passing and one test case was failing, right. So, let us see, let me execute and show you again. So, if you will go to terminal and open new terminal. Now, we will write the command npx then Cypress then open. So, what it will do? It will open the Cypress test runner. Okay. So, and how we will execute from here? We can execute when we will just click here, it will execute. So, we have seen in our last video how to execute in the Chrome 94, right, Chrome version. So, now if you want to execute in the Firefox, just select this and what you do, just click on this. So, we see in Firefox it is launching. Okay. So, you see the first test case will be failed. Okay. The first test case got failed and second test case got passed. Okay. So, now we executed in Firefox. Okay. So, similarly, if you want to run it in the Electron, you can also select this Electron and you can just click on this. Okay. Now, you see it got executed and you see it is completed now. Okay. So, this is how you can execute in different browsers. Okay. So, these things we have already seen in our previous class, but still I just explained like how you can execute in different browsers. Okay. Then the next thing we will try to learn how we will execute it from our terminal. For example, we will just not use this Cypress test runner, we want to run it from the terminal. How you will do it? Let me clear it. Okay. So, previously you used to write npx Cypress open. So, do not write npx Cypress open, just instead of open you can just write run, okay, and enter. Let us see what it is doing. Now, you see something is getting executed, right. You see my first test suite and something is happening. Let it complete. Okay. You see the test case execution is completed. What it is showing? 1 of 1 failed. So, total test executed 2, passing 1 and failing 1. Okay. And if you will go up, let me show you from the starting only. Okay. From here we executed npx Cypress run. So, you see run starting and what you are seeing here is the Cypress version and browser is Electron 91. So, Electron 91 is the default browser where it is getting executed and it is a headless mode. What is headless mode means? Headless mode means it is running without a browser. Okay. So, browser is not launching, but still you are able to execute your test case and what it is executing? Spec. The spec is example inside the example folder fast test case.js. This is the file getting executed and inside that we have two test case, my test case 1 and my test case 2. My test case is getting failed. So, that is what you are seeing, one passing and one failing, and here also you will see why it is failing. So you can see this message, and here it is telling expected and actual is not matching. Expected, we are expecting this, but we are expecting this, and actual is this. That's why it is failing. Okay, and our second test case is getting passed. Okay, one more thing also, you can see the screenshot in this location. If you want to see the screenshot, you can go to this location. So here if I will show you, this is the screenshot location. Here you can see the screenshot. Similarly, you can see a video. Okay, if you go to this videos folder, here also you can see the video. If I will go to my file system and I want to show you, so let me go to my desktop, and here you can see desktop, and this is my Cypress project, and inside Cypress I have videos example, and here you can see the complete video. If you run it, you can see what is happening, right? This is what you can see, the video is running. Okay, I'll just stop it. Let me close it. So this is how you can execute the test cases from the terminal in the headless mode. Okay, maybe now you will have one question, how we can execute with the browser but from the terminal. Okay, so let me show you that. So if we will come here, and previously what we have written, we have written npx cypress then run. Okay, so if you just write hyphen hyphen then headed. Okay, so what it will do, let's see. I will just click enter. Let's see what it is doing. So now you see the browser is opened, right? The browser is launched. Now it is executing, right? You can see that. So the tests are getting executed. First test case got failed and second test case got passed. So now let's see the result, what it is doing. Now if we will go to the top, okay, so here we have started npx cypress run then headed. So run starting here you can see. Then what you saw here, browser is Electron. So I told you, right, Electron is the default browser, but it got executed in a UI mode. It is not headless, right? In a browser it got executed. Okay, you saw how it got executed, and it is used browser as Electron 91, and your Cypress version is 8.4.1, and this is the spec file which got executed, first test case.js, and the result, you know, the one test case got failed and one test case got passed. And why it failed, this we already know, right? This is what we are expecting and this is what we got, actual result. It is not matching, that's why test case got failed. Okay, so this is one way also you can execute your test case. Okay, now you can ask one more question, right? So for now you have only one spec file or one test case. So tomorrow if you will have multiple test cases, or it will have in a different location, now it is inside the example folder. For example, tomorrow you have it in a different folder, for example functional testing, and inside that you have some more test cases. How you will execute it, right? So there should be some way how you can execute that, right? Let me tell you that how you can execute. So again the same thing, you need to write npx cypress run. Okay, then you can write hyphen hyphen spec. Okay, and inside the double quote you can write what is the path of that test case. So for example, here we have the first test case. So if you just right click here, you can see the path. So for example, you are copying the path. So here you can see copy path. Let me do that, and here I will paste it. Okay, so you see it is copying the entire path, right? So maybe we don't need it because we are already inside this project folder, right? So what we will do, we will copy the relative path. Okay, so let me copy it, and what we will do, instead of this complete path we will give the relative path. So relative path will start from the project folder, so where we are right now, right? So it will start from there. Let me paste it. You can see we are getting it Cypress. So if you will see, we are here, right? Cypress project, then inside that Cypress folder, then integration folder, then example folder, then this is our test case. So let me execute it. So, now you see it is getting executed. Okay. We will see in detail once it is completed. Now you see it got completed, right. Now what we will do, we will see what it did, right. So, let us see our commands. So, this is our command, right, which we executed. So, what it is showing? It is showing it executed in the Electron 91 browser, but in the headless mode. Okay. And what is the spec file? The spec file is this fastsketch.js, and it searched for this particular things what we have given here, right. It searched for that this particular path, and then it executed this test case. Okay. And again you know the result, right, how it is, one test case passed and one test case failed, and this is the screenshot and this is the video. All other things remain same. I am just showing you what are the different ways how you can execute it, right. Now you can tell me then how I will execute from a different browser from the terminal. Okay. So, you have seen how you can execute from the different browser from the Cypress test runner, but you do not know how to execute it from the terminal, right. So, again what we will do here, you will write npx cypress run, then in place of headed just hyphen hyphen, then you just write browser. Okay. And here you write what is the browser you want to use, for example Chrome. Okay. Let me execute it. So, that is all. So, you just need to understand these commands, so you can execute all these things from your terminal. Okay. We will also see how to do it from the how we will do it in the Firefox browser. Okay. So, let it complete. So, it got completed. Now, you see what it showed to us, right. Okay. So, not this, right. Let me go down. Okay. This is the one, npx cypress run hyphen hyphen browser, then Chrome. Okay. So, here you see it took Chrome 94, this is the version which I have. Okay. This is the browser and it is in the headless mode. Okay. So, all these things are getting executed in headless mode. So, I will tell you how you can use normal browser mode, I will show you that, but for now it is, you can see if you will use this command npx cypress run hyphen hyphen browser Chrome, then it will be in the Chrome browser, but in the headless mode. Okay. So, all other things again remain same, the result you can see one test case passed, one test case failed. Okay. Now, I will tell you how you can execute the same thing, but in the browser mode, not in the headless mode, right. That is something we should know. So, just write npx cypress run hyphen hyphen browser, then Chrome, then you write hyphen hyphen headed. Okay. Do not worry about these commands, I will give you all these commands in the description. Okay. So, you just understand what we are doing, right. Let me execute this. So, now it should not use the headless mode. See, browser is launched and we can see the execution is happening. Okay. So, now you are seeing how we can execute all these things from our terminal. Okay. So, if you will go up and you will see here, see what it is showing, this is the Cypress version, this is the browser, and Chrome 94 it is showing, right, it is not showing the headless mode. So, even you saw it showed the browser, okay, the test case executed in the browser, right, and these are the, this is the spec and the result, you know, one test case passed and one test case failed. Similarly, you will tell I want to run it in the Firefox. So, what you will do, in place of Chrome you just write Firefox, and let us see. Now, you see Firefox browser also launched and the test case is getting executed, right. So, one test case will be failed and the other test case will pass. Now, you can see one test case failed and second test case passed, and if we will see here what it is showing, See here, it is npx cypress run hyphen browser firefox hyphen headed. Here you can see browser we have used Firefox 90 and this is the spec file, and you know the result, right? One test case passed and one test case failed. Okay, so these are the different ways how you can execute your test cases from the terminal. So a quick recap what we have learned today. So first we have used npx cypress open command, through which you can open the Cypress test runner and you can execute the test from that. In the next one, we have learnt about npx cypress run. So this is the command which you can use to execute the test cases from the terminal. Okay. Then we have learnt about npx cypress run hyphen headed. So it is double hyphen. Okay. Make sure it is double hyphen. So npx cypress run hyphen headed. So in this command npx cypress run, it will run in the headless mode. Here it will run in the browser mode. The default one will be used as Electron browser. Okay. So we'll move to the next one. Then we have learnt about how can we execute a particular spec file or particular test case. So here you can see we have given the particular path. Okay. npx cypress run hyphen then spec, and this is the file path. Okay. Which one we are trying to execute. Okay. Next we learnt about what is the browser we can use. So npx cypress run hyphen browser, then Chrome browser. So you can also give Firefox if you want to run it in the Firefox browser. Next we have learnt about how we can execute from a different browser but in a headed mode. So the fifth command is in the headless browser and the sixth command will be the browser, and it will launch and you can see that. So that's all for today. In our next video we'll see some more Cypress commands and we'll see the project folder structure. Okay, hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to explain it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.